fishies?
I hit it!
You hit it.
This week, my parents' neighbors offered us their play set. They said that if we came and took it down, we could take it home. We decided that we wanted to keep the play set together as much as possible. Travis ended up having to take off the roof and a slide and the ladder, I think, and then my dad lifted this big piece here up with his tractor, and Travis carried one side, and they got it over to the street. And then we got it in my dad's dump trailer, and we were able to get it home.
Starting to slide.
No.
Are you talking?
It's not sliding. Ah! Oh, it got caught on something, I think.
That's good. I didn't want it to slide out all on its own. Caught on.
Nice. We're planning on repainting this playhouse once we get it sanded and fix a few of the broken boards.
Do you want to help me?
Okay, should we do... You're gonna be right there? Okay, just hold on to my hand. Got it? Okay, here we go. Okay, good job, buddy. Thanks for your help. I'm not really sure what we were thinking, but about a week and a half ago we planted grass back here, which means it's been about a week and a half since our kids could play back here in the backyard. So we're really glad it's coming in finally.
Oh, I caught a fish.
Nice,
You got a
bud.
big fish. Man, what is going on?
Oh, that is a big one.
I caught it all by myself.
On your new fishing pole? Let's see if I can do this without dropping my phone in.
Sawyer, that is a big fish.
Sawyer,
That's
good
awesome.
job.
That's awesome,
Instant.
dude. Look how big that is. That's big enough to eat if you guys want to.
Yeah.
What do you think, Bum?
It's up to you guys.
Yeah.
That's
Cool.
awesome. That was a big fish.
That's a nice fish.
You think Winston's
That's
gonna eat
that's
him?
probably bigger than any fish I've ever
Winston.
caught, Sawyer. Alicia, if you didn't go potty, that would have been your fish.
Guys, come see now.
You like that fish, baby? Can you touch him?
What kind of fish is
Touch him.
Who caught that, Sawyer?
Is that scary, Max?
What kind of fish is he? It's a trout.
Do you know what the duck says, Max?
Yeah.
It says quack quack.
Quack, quack.
Good job.
Yeah.
Neither one of you. Just wait just a second.
Good job, Rock. Do you see a fish?
Yeah. Dick. Yeah. Boat. Going.
Don't hook me, okay?
Oh, that can't do it.
That was a good one. That was a good one. That was super good, bud. Good job.
Look. Heavy rock.
A heavy rock?
You give me them.